Do you freeze when someone asks you to speak in English? Do you wish you could sound confident like those YouTubers and podcasters you admire? Today, I'm sharing 16 powerful secrets from John Maxwell, one of the world's most famous communicators. These aren't boring textbook rules. These are the exact strategies he used to speak to millions of people around the world. And the best part? I'm breaking them down in simple, easy English that you can use today. If you're ready to transform your English-speaking confidence, hit that like button now. It tells YouTube this video deserves to reach more learners just like you. Let's dive into law number 1. Law 1. The law of credibility. Law 1 is the law of credibility. Credibility means people trust you. They believe your words because your actions match what you say. Let me tell you a true story about Gandhi. A mother brought her son to him and said, "Please tell my son to stop eating sugar." Gandhi looked at the boy and said, "Come back in 2 weeks." 2 weeks later, they returned. Gandhi simply said, "Stop eating sugar." The mother was confused. "Why didn't you say that 2 weeks ago?" Gandhi replied, "Because 2 weeks ago, I was still eating sugar." See the power? Gandhi wanted to live the message before speaking it. That's credibility. In English speaking, this means don't just memorize phrases. Actually use them in your real life. Practice what you preach. When you speak from experience, people feel your authenticity. Law 2. The law of observation. Law 2. The law of observation. This means watch great communicators and learn from them. Watch your favorite English teachers on YouTube. Notice how they start their videos. Look at their hands, their smile, their pauses. Ask yourself, what makes me want to keep watching? Maybe they tell funny stories. Maybe they speak slowly and clearly. Maybe they use their hands to emphasize points, like I'm doing right now. But here's the key. Don't copy exactly. Make it your own. It's like learning piano. You listen to great players first, then you practice your own style. Watch one great English speaker this week. Take notes. What do they do well? Try it yourself. Law 3. The law of connection. Law 3 is my favorite, the law of connection. Connection means making people feel close to you. John Maxwell says, "People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care." When you speak English, think about your listener. What do they care about? If you're talking to students, mention exams, dreams, school life. If you're talking to coworkers, talk about projects and goals. When people feel understood, they listen with their heart, not just their ears. They remember you. They want to talk to you again. Connection is the secret sauce of great communication. Question: who will you connect with today? Law 4. The law of anticipation. Law 4. The law of anticipation. Anticipation means making people excited for what comes next. Think about movie trailers. They show small parts and make you say, "I can't wait to see that." You can do this in English conversations too. Instead of saying, "Today I'll talk about grammar," try, "Today I'll share one grammar mistake that even advanced speakers make and show you how to fix it forever." See the difference? You created curiosity. But remember, if you make people wait, you must deliver something great. Build anticipation, then satisfy it. Laws 5 to 8. The Power Quad. Laws 5 through 8 work together like a super team. Let's speed through them. Law 5. Simplicity. Use short, clear words. Don't say utilize, say use. Don't say assist, say help. Simple words are strong words. Law 6. Inclusion. Use we, you, and our. Make it about us, not just me. When people feel included, they engage more. Law 7. The law of story. Facts go to the head. Stories go to the heart. Instead of saying, exercise is important, tell a story about someone who changed their life by running. Stories stick. Law 8. Visual expression. Use your face, hands, and body. Smile when discussing happy things. Show expressions. Speak with your whole body, not just your mouth. Laws 9 to 12. The engagement zone. Now let's talk about engagement. These laws keep people interested. Law 9. Feedback. Communication isn't one way, it's a circle. Watch your listener. Are they smiling, confused, bored? Adjust your message based on their reactions. Ask questions. Check understanding. Law 10. Preparation. Great speaking starts before you speak. Practice your introduction. Know your main points. Preparation creates confidence. Law 11. Humility. Don't try to be perfect. Be real. If you make a mistake, own it. Say, I was wrong. People trust honest speakers more than perfect ones. Law 12. Conviction. This means strong belief. If you don't believe your message, nobody else will. Speak with passion. Feel your words. Energy is contagious. Laws 13 to 16. The legacy laws. The final 4 laws are about your impact. Law 13. Expectation. Believe the best about your audience. If you think they're smart and capable, they'll act that way. Your attitude shapes the room. Law 14. Legacy. What will people remember after you're gone? Speak about things that matter: kindness, courage, growth. Make every conversation count. Law 15. Adaptability. Be flexible. If something isn't working, change it. Great communicators adjust to their audience. Law 16. Growth. Never stop improving. Communication is a skill, not a gift. Practice daily. Get feedback. Keep growing. Quick recap and call to action. Let's remember these 16 laws in 30 seconds. Be believable. Watch and learn. Connect with hearts. Create curiosity. Keep it simple. Include everyone. Tell stories. Show, don't just tell. Listen and adjust. Prepare well. Stay humble. Believe strongly. Expect greatness. Leave a legacy. Stay flexible. Keep growing. Which law will you try first? Comment below with the number. I read every single comment. And if you want more confidence-building English tips, subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy. We post new videos every week to help you speak naturally and confidently. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Your English fluency journey matters to me, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, smash that like button and share it with a friend who's also learning English. Remember, communication is a skill anyone can master, including you. Watch this video next for more speaking confidence tips, or check out our playlist for beginner-friendly English lessons. Until next time, keep speaking, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.